York Hall of Science is here with us this morning with some easy science experiments that you can do at home with your kiddos. Olivia, wake up from your nap. It's time to listen up. The museum is a world-class destination for learning and play, welcoming 500,000 students, teachers, families each and every year. They also offer meaningful work experiences for students and young adults through their Explainer program. We love that, where the explainers help visitors understand the science behind nice-size exhibits and demonstrations.
It's a whole vibe.
It's a whole thing.
Sarah Bisram is one of those explainers, and she joins us live this morning, along with Truck McDonald, the museum's manager of training and content. Good morning to you both. Welcome back, and welcome to New York Living.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
We had so much fun the last time. I had to invite my friend Dan.
Listen,
Welcome, Dan.
my daughter is 14 months old. She can go bubbles. So this is for her. Yeah.
First and foremost, how are things going at the museum?
Great, great. We're open back up. We have a bunch of new exhibitions. It's been a really great summer.
What can
Okay.
people expect when they go there? I'm not familiar, so just kind of help me understand a little
Yeah,
bit.
lots of hands-on science.
Yeah.
So lots of engagements for children at all ages and,
Okay.
and adults too. And we have a great new space that's inside our museum, which centered around bubbles.
Oh, good.
There are bubbles everywhere.
Yeah.
All right, Sarah, talk to us about what we're going to do today.
Okay, so what we're doing today is bouncing bubbles.
Bouncing.
Yeah.
Not
so,
making bouncing. I like this.
So what I actually have is some of the solution, and I'm going to put a glove on.
Okay.
And I'm going to see if you guys are able to hold one of our bouncing bubbles.
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
So I have a bubble here. It popped.
So is it, Sarah, is this just regular bubble solution?
No, so this bubble solution is actually stronger than your normal bubble
Oh,
solution.
okay.
Usually we use soap and water to make our bubbles, but this solution actually has glycerin in it, which kind of makes it stronger, which is
Okay.
why it doesn't pop immediately.
I
Okay.
see. Okay.
So you're blowing the bubble,
Yep,
and
Oh,
then
I see,
you're
okay.
able to catch it.
with
your
the
hand.
glove.
In her
But can you
handy
catch
dandy.
it in your
Okay.
hand?
Oh, no.
Oh, and it pops.
I
see.
repel bubbles.
Yeah, you
So-
repel a lot of things.
I repel a lot of things, specifically bubbles. Let's see how Dan does, Mr.
Yeah.
Big Shot. He thinks he can hold a
See,
bubble.
I'm very delicate. I have very delicate skin.
He
so.
does no housework. Look at that skin.
Okay.
Ooh.
You can't catch a bubble either. You can't even catch a cold. Okay, so what's the problem here?
So
Why
let's-
can you, with your
Your
handy
glove.
dandy glove, catch a bubble, and we can't
We
with our
can't.
epidermis? You like
So-
that epidermis?
That's
Bubbles
good.
pop.
Very scientific.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bubbles pop for two different reasons. One being if they hit dirt or oil, which is something we usually have on our hands. It's going to
This is pure oil.
yeah, it's
This is
going
pure dirt.
it's going to break the bubble and pop, right? And then another reason a bubble can pop is when it's in the air for too long. Bubbles are made of soap and water, so once that water evaporates, it's going to cause that bubble to pop.
see, okay.
But that's where the glycerin or sugar, whatever you want to add, comes in. It kind of slows down that evaporation process. So if you want to put a glove on
Let's do it.
and play around with some of these
Alright.
bubbles.
So if
we
someone
can.
wants to do this at home, those are the ingredients:
Yeah.
Yep.
dish soap, water, sugar, knit
Okay.
gloves, or socks.
Yeah.
You know what? I have so many lonely socks. I have the
Right?
pair. I have a graveyard of just the
I'm
one
telling you,
sock.
because the washing machine eats them.
Yep. Good way
My
to
washing
use them.
machine,
Yeah.
what?
Good way to use the socks. The extra
What
socks.
happens
yeah.
to the other side? That's a different side. So what happens to it? I mean, it's like the washing machine eats them.
Yeah.
Is it the washing machine or the dryer?
Dryer, right?
One of them.
I
It's
know.
the dryer.
I don't know what it is.
All
So
right.
we actually have pipettes here if
Oh,
you
I
guys
see.
You guys
want
want
to
to blow your
try.
own bubbles?
Yeah.
I see. Okay, so here you go.
So for the pipettes, we just cut a part of it, and it kind of makes
are you
your own
doing?
bubble wand. So you just dip it in the solution,
Dip, dip, dip.
and
Blow.
yep.
Okay.
There you go. Good
Oh, look
job.
at that. I want to make like a humongous one.
And you're kind of able to
Yeah, look at
bounce
that.
the
Oh,
bubble
look at the bubble.
around.
Look at this, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's really simple to make at home. Like,
Yep.
You know, sugar, water, and some dish soap.
For the first time in my life, no one's bursting my bubble.
I think that's what Marisol's here
Oh, I can't even make the
You
bubble.
can't. She having trouble.
I can't even make the
Yeah.
bubble. So this is one of the experiments you have currently going on.
for. Yeah, so we have our bubbles cart that's out on museum floor that children and adults come and play with bubbles and experiment.
Now-
And then we also have our bubbles exhibition that's in sneak preview right now, but fully opens in the fall.
Sneak
I'm
previews.
having a hard time over here.
I can't make
How do you get it off of the
Oh,
device?
so you do a little flip. A little
The
flip of it. The device.
This is a
the
device.
pipette.
It's very technical. It's plastic, and they cut off the tip.
How do you get it off of that?
Get
So
the
you-
bubbles in there first.
Yeah, get the bubble. And we do a little flip of the.
Do a,
And then
Yep.
there you go.
Oh, see, natural. You're natural.
All right. So if we did want to make this at home, are there measurements, or are we just throwing everything together?
so it's a cup of distilled water.
Oh, there you go.
And
Look,
then
she get it. She got it.
awesome. Yeah. Can you bounce it?
Oh, nice. So toss it in.
Now we're trying to get too fancy. Okay, we're making it at home.
Yeah.
What do we do?
Oh yeah,
So
sorry.
we have a cup of distilled water, and then you would just mix it with half a cup of dish soap.
This
and,
business.
Yeah.
Can I do this?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh yeah,
Pour
go
away.
ahead. Get in there.
This
Yeah.
is the fancy
This Dawn.
kind.
That's the good
this
stuff.
is Dawn.
That's the
I
good
know.
stuff. You can smell the dawn.
I wonder if I brought Dawn.
Yeah.
They got a good
Wow.
budget, these people.
That's a good nose. You can
Okay.
smell dawn.
We got it. Yeah.
Half a cup. Now, what if you don't have distilled water? What if you just have New York City tap?
Yeah,
If you have
that's
New York
good.
City tap, it'll work. It's not as strong because there's a lot of minerals in our tap water, which makes the bubbles a little unpure.
Okay, I'm
so,
just gonna
yeah, pour,
expedite
pour.
this.
Yeah.
Here
Yeah.
we go.
And then you can add.
I got it. Finally, I got it.
Hooray for
Now let me toss it
Mel.
to you. Here we go. Ready?
Wow.
Just quickly toss it to
catch,
you.
bubble catch.
Look at that.
Oh.
Look at that! We did it!
And for that, we spent
toss it back, toss it back,
hundreds
toss it
of
back.
thousands of dollars to go to institutions of higher learning. This, and some sugar.
And some sugar, yeah, and a
then you
tablespoon
mix
of
it.
sugar, and then you mix
then
it
you
up.
mix.
And it does need to sit overnight for the bonds to really,
I see. Okay.
strengthen.
What kind of bond? Kinetic? What does that even mean?
Do you even know what
Is it kinetic a bond? Is that a thing?
Connecticut is a state.
Kinetic!
Kinetic energy is
Kinetic
energy is what you take to go.
Sarah, how can students get involved in the Explainer program?
Well, we have an application that opens throughout the school year and the summer, so you would just fill that out, and then there's like an interview that you go through, and after that, if you get past the interview, it's actually a pretty fun group interview, if I will say that. And then after that, you're like on the floor, you learn what like all the
You
other
shadow someone?
yeah, you shadow people,
this.
and then after that, you're
Beautiful.
on the floor, and you
And
just
before
get
you
to
know it, you're an
engage.
explainer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes by so fast once you start.
Fun.
If your fancy job in television doesn't work out,
Become an explainer, yeah. Bring
yeah, apply to become
This
this
is
is
good.
curriculum.
Yeah.
It's one last one.
Right
Ready?
here, right here, right here, right here.
Ay, Dios mío.
Oh, let's go down the line. Let me toss it to you. Hold on, here we go, here we go. Here we go,
Down the
here we
line,
go.
down the line, down the line. Unbelievable. Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
One more.
Science
One more.
is so fun.
Look
Boom.
at guys,
Bounce it
this
back.
is what I'm talking about. That's what we got 4 in a row.
Yeah.
That's
It's a
what I'm
record. It might
talking
be a
about.
record. It
Thank
might be a
you.
record.
Chuck and Sarah,
Look
thank
it
you
up.
so
Thank
much.
you guys.
So much
Thank
fun.
you.
Very
I know
nervous.
what you're going to be doing.
Wait, what, studying about Connecticut?
That too. Bringing your kid to the place
Yeah.
to learn more about the New York Hall of Science and find more at-home experience. You can visit nysci.org.
I mean, I'm really just a big kid, right?
That's very true.
That's it.